Hey beauties, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. We are back with another review, and today we'll be using Asteria hair. Now they sent me over a few goodies in my box, so let's get into that first. They gave me a hair band, and of course you know you need your melt band to melt down your lace, some HD caps, and it comes with two in there. They also gave me an edge brush, which you need for them baby hairs, and of course some lashes if you're doing your makeup and you need a quick little and of course they give you a storage bag to store your wig in once you take it out. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the details of this wig. This is a 24-inch HD straight wig, but it is pre-plucked and pre-styled, y'all. Bleach knots, all that. Like, this is the perfect beginner friendly wig. It is perfect to wear it glueless, but because they gave us some lace tape here in the box, I'm going to use that lace tape for the installation process for today. But before we get into that install, I'm just going to show y'all up close and personal the details of this wig. Now, it does have an elastic band on the inside, which is, you know, like adjustable. This is what the wig looks like fresh out of the packaging. Super HD, super styled to perfection. The wig is super silky, so soft, not bleach, plucked, like perfect, y'all. Beginner friendly wig, okay? Like the perfect glueless wig that you could just plop on your head, add a little foundation, add your little lace tape, your holding spray, whatever you want to do, and you can go. Okay, and like I mentioned, it does has the combs and adjustable band in the inside. And for today's installation model, we will be doing it on Shari. Woo, Shari's back. Yes, y'all. So her face is beat to the gods by my good girl, of course, Pixie Beads. And we're gonna get straight into this installation process. I already did her ball cap method on purpose, and as I mentioned, y'all, this is a glueless, pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-bleach, like, you know, wig or whatever. And they gave us this lace tape, so I said, you know what, I never did a wig install with just the lace tape. So I said, because you know it is easy to apply and you really just stick the wig on top of your head after you put the tape. It is so easy to do. So I'm like, why I never did a tutorial? I don't know, but we're doing one today. So all I'm doing is just taking those pieces of tape, and you want to be mindful how you place it as far as the hairline, because you don't want to leave any tape outside of the hairline, because it will be, you know, more of a process to remove it up and pick it up. So be very mindful. And the tape is sticky on both sides, so you can just lay it down on the white side or the blue side and, you know, apply it. And then once you stick it to the skin and to the cap, you just peel the opposite direction. So I placed about 3 or 4 tapes on her hairline, and now I'm just taking that wig, as I mentioned, and I already applied my foundation in the inside. And starting from the center first, I'm going to place the wig down, and just using this lace tape, I'm going to stick it on down. And I asked Shari, how does it feel? She said it was nice and tight and firm. So I'm like, okay, cool, perfect. And as you can see, y'all, it was easy for me to just pull it back up and readjust it. So you can lay down your tape, and when you want to take it off, you could just pull it right back on up. It's just really that simple and that easy. And this is the perfect alternative if you're not really good at applying lace glue, or you don't want to use glue at all. Like, your wig can be super secure with just the tape alone. Okay, now as far as the little sideburns, we're going to go ahead and cut off the extra from around the ear, and using my even holding spray, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, spray it on the corners, the edges, or whatever, and we're going to tie that down, and also use that holding spray as well to swoop up the baby hairs. But once we get into like that part, everything else is just pretty much simple. Even though the ponytails came pre-styled with the wig, I did go back in and, you know, just remold it and redo the ponytail just to give it a nice, secure, tight hold, and making sure it's super flat for the installation. But this is a very quick and easy video. It's only about 20 minutes long, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nickelodeon. rock with, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna lay with you. That's how these summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh. Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh. Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? 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 Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe?
So as I mentioned, y'all, I told y'all I was gonna like remold up the ponytail just to make sure it was super perfect and sleek and, you know, tight and not loose. So now that we got that done, I'm just gonna take the wax stick, hot comb in the back of the wig, make sure it's super flat, super neat, of course. And then we're gonna go ahead and tack down the sides with the holding spray, cut the baby hairs, curl it, and curl up the baby hairs that they already had. But I am gonna cut it shorter because y'all know Shari got a small forehead. And of course, you don't want the baby hairs touching past the eyebrows. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna end up cutting that up some more and using our holding spray to tuck down the edges. And for the sideburns, I didn't do my short curl, you know, spiral sideburns. I just like, you know what, let's do like a long sideburn today and just kind of like flat iron and bump the ends a little bit. So that's the sideburn we're gonna do for today. But I'm gonna cut up this baby hair a little shorter and we're gonna curl it up and swoop it with the holding spray as well. right, y'all, so I went ahead and completed the other side of camera. So the ponytails are done, the baby hairs are laid, the long sideburns are done, and now I'm just taking that even holding spray and spraying it across the hairline. And once I do that, I'm just gonna take that melt belt and tie that down. And while that melt belt is sitting, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take my curler and curl up the ends of the hair just to give it a nice little flowy, bouncy look. I'm not gonna cut any layers. I'm just gonna curl this hair going towards the ceiling. And well, the ponytail part gonna go underneath, but the rest of the hair I'm gonna curl upward. And I don't know, I just kind of like the effect that it gives now. Like lately I've been curling upward and not underneath. So I'm just gonna take my T3 curler, curl that hair up, combing through, do that on both sides, and we are gonna be done. So just make sure you guys stay tuned to the finished look. Also, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, check down the description, details down below where you can purchase this wig. I love Asteria hair. They send me bomb wigs all the time, all the time, all the time. And like I mentioned, this is a perfect beginner-friendly wig. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-styled. Like, it does not get no better than that, okay? Literally, like, make sure y'all get y'all one of these, period. And it is giving, and that's just on period. We went ahead, curl that up, comb that out. It's giving the sideburns, baby hairs, all that. So thank you guys for watching. This is the finishing look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below if you feeling this look, and stay tuned for more. Bye, y'all.